and welcome to Keeping Home. If you've ever looked around your house and thought, how did this place get like this? And why is everyone asking me what's for dinner? Well, pull up a chair. You're in the right place. My name is JoJo, and I'm so glad you're here. Now, let me go ahead and say this right up front. This channel is not about perfection. You will not find spotless baseboards every day, matching socks at all times, or a woman who wakes up thrilled to clean her oven. If that's what you're looking for, bless your heart. You might want to keep scrolling. Keeping home is about real homemaking, for real, like if it's about creating a home that works for the people who live in it, not a Pinterest board that stresses you out. It's about routines that actually stick, meals that don't take 3 hours, and learning how to manage a home without losing your ever loving mind. Around here, we talk about things like simple cleaning rhythms that don't take over your life, decluttering when you're tired of decluttering, feeding people day after day after day, managing a home through busy seasons, hard seasons, and the what even is happening right now seasons. Because homemaking isn't just about what you do, it's about how you live. And listen, this isn't about traditional roles or checking anyone else's boxes. Whether you're raising kids, an empty nester, newly married, living alone, working outside the home, or just trying to keep the chaos contained, homemaking is for anyone who wants their home to feel calmer, warmer, and more intentional. I've been doing this long enough to know a few things. Motivation is overrated. Consistency beats intensity every time. And sometimes the most productive thing you can do is sit down and drink your coffee while it's still hot. Over here, we keep things practical, encouraging, and realistic. So if you're ready to stop striving for perfect and start keeping home with purpose, peace, and a whole lot of grace, I'd love for you to stick around. Go ahead and subscribe, pull up a chair, and make yourself at home.